Good morning everyone. Today we are continuing with the chapter 18 trigonometry, and I am just showing the complementary functions questions. Only two questions I am just showing it now. See how to handle such questions. So the first question number 6, sub question 1. Evaluate without using table cos square 26 plus cos 64 into sin 26 plus tan 36 divided by cot 54. So we have to see this question, this cos square 26 and here this sin 26 and cos 64. Whenever you get two angles 64 and 26, you can see if you are adding these two angles you will get 90 degree, and here also 36 and 54, if you are adding you will get 90 degree. So whenever you see the sum of the two angles in one term is 90 degree, one function you can express it as the complementary function of the other. See how it is. So first term I am not changing anything because it's only a single term with a single function. But here cos 64 and sin 26. So here 26 is there, here 26 there. So this 64 we can write it as cos 90 minus 26. So I am changing only this because of this 26 into sin 26 degree plus tan 36. So here I am changing this 54. So cot 90 minus 36. So don't change the function, only the angle we have to change it as 90 minus. Now cos square 26 plus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin 26 into sin 26 plus tan 36 by cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan 36. So this is again cos square 26 plus sin 26 into sin 26, that is sin square 26. See the writing, square we write it only for the function, not for the number, because we are multiplying with the same function with same angle. So we just write the 26 we have taken twice, that is sin square 26 plus this will be cancelled and it is 1. Now cos square a plus sin square a is 1, so this part will become 1 plus 1. So the final answer is 2. Okay, so please remember, first you have to check the angles, whether the sum of the two angles in a single term is 90 degree. In that case you have to change the angle, only one side you have to change it, not both. Okay, that means don't change 64 and 26 together, so you will be getting the question in a reverse form. So see this one. Now I shall show you one more question. See the next question. The question is sec 17 degree. Sec 17 degree by cosec 73 degree plus tan 68 degree divided by cot 22 degree plus cos square 44 degree plus cos square 46 degree. So here we have two terms, two functions, sec and cosec. So 17 plus 73 we get 90, 68 and 22 when we are adding we get 90, and in these two terms 44 and 46 the sum is 90. So here also sec 17 I am not changing, but here the function I am not changing, but the angle, the 73 we can write as 90 minus 17 plus tan 68 I am not changing, but the denominator, the function is cot, but angle I am changing to 90 minus 68 plus either one we have to change it. So I am changing cos square 44 we can write as 90 minus 46 plus cos square 46. Again don't change both, only one term we are changing. Now sec 17, 90 is opposite 90 minus theta is sec theta, so sec 17 plus tan 68 by tan 68, using the formula cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Again cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so sin square 46 plus cos square 46. So cancelling 1 plus 1, and here sin square a plus cos square a is 1, so plus 1, so the final answer is 3. So without using the table we could evaluate this. Okay, so please practice such questions. I shall show you 2 or 3 more questions tomorrow, so enjoy. Thank you.